In industrial settings, where sensitive electronic equipment and machinery are integral to operations, managing electrostatic discharge, ESD, is crucial. ESD can cause significant damage to electronic components, leading to costly downtime and equipment failure. 1. Prevents damage to sensitive equipment. The primary benefit of ESD flooring tiles in industrial settings is their ability to dissipate static electricity. ESD PVC tiles are designed to absorb and transfer electrostatic charges to the ground, preventing static buildup that can damage sensitive electronics, circuits, and machinery. 2. Increased workplace safety. ESD vinyl flooring helps to maintain a safe working environment by ensuring that any static charge is effectively neutralized, minimizing the risk of accidents and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. 3. Durability and longevity. ESD tiles are built to withstand heavy foot traffic, machinery movement, and industrial processes. Made from vinyl durable material, static control flooring tiles wear and tear, ensuring long-term performance without significant degradation. 4. Easy maintenance. Unlike carpets or traditional flooring, ESD control flooring tiles are easy to clean, requiring only regular sweeping or mopping to maintain appearance and functionality. The resilient nature of these tiles helps them resist stains, scratches, and dirt, which are common in industrial environments, ensuring that they stay functional and aesthetically pleasing for years. 5. Enhanced productivity. By preventing equipment failure and reducing downtime, anti-static flooring tiles contribute to increased productivity. In environments where machinery must function at peak performance, having a reliable flooring solution that protects against electrostatic damage is vital. 6. Cost-effective solution. Investing in ESD plastic flooring tiles may seem like a significant upfront cost, but they are a cost-effective solution in the long run. The protection they offer against costly equipment damage, along with their durability and low maintenance, ensures that businesses save money on repairs, replacements, and downtime.